So hello everyone, I am Leonora, as Helen introduced me. I come from Albania. It's my first time being part of a Quantum GIS user conference, and until now it's a very great conference. I have chosen to present today the use of Quantum GIS to measure NDVI and extract the selected vegetated cover. So just like an introduction, since working with urban planners, it's very important to understand the satellite imagery and also the spatial temporal data. So in this case study, I've only used the Sentinel data from 2016 and 2025 for the case study of Tirana. Just like a few words about Albania, where it's located, because I get this question a lot. So where is Albania located? Albania is located in the southeastern Europe on the western side of Balkan Peninsula. It borders Montenegro to the north, Kosovo to the northeast, North Macedonia to the east, and Greece to the south and southeast, and it's an integral part of the Western Balkan with all of the cities that I mentioned. This map, it's actually made in Quantum GIS. And also then for Tirana. Tirana is the capital city of Albania and is the largest urbanized area in the country. And the former city in Tirana is subdivided in 11 smaller administrative units that concentrate 82% of the total resident population. The number of population from the census in 2023, it's 598 and 176,000 residents. Okay, so for the analysis, I have made all of the steps clear with some screenshots. About the Sentinel to L2A satellite imagery, I use the Copernicus Open Access Hub, where I downloaded the format of GeoTIFF, and the years used were 2016 and 2025. At the Copernicus browsers, then I just filter and just found the satellite imagery that it has the maximum cloud coverage less than 4%. Also, I did the same for 2025. And I downloaded in the raster GeoTIFF to get it georeferenced for the 2 years, while for the administrative boundaries, I use the OpenStreetMap or from the OpenStreetMap boundaries, and I just didn't want it to include the coastal part, and so I just used just the central, north, and the south Albania. For the Tirana municipality border, I use the national geoportal that Albania has, but it actually you can also it's restricted, so you can download actually just some administrative boundaries, not all, and you should always have a login, like a username and login. Okay, so just a screenshot about how I downloaded the OpenStreetMap boundaries and the filters that I use, and also a screenshot about the GeoTIFF that and the bands that I use to calculate NDVI. For Sentinel-2 data, the bands used are D04 and D08. So for the other years before 2016, actually, I'm studying another with Landsat data, but I didn't include it because it was just an example for this presentation. So NDVI for Sentinel data. So as everyone who works with remote sense data knows that NDVI stands for Normalized Difference Vegetation Index, and it's used to measure the greenness or density of live green vegetation using satellite imagery. NDVI is calculating using the reflectance values from the red and the near infrared band of a multispectral image, and the healthy vegetation reflects more near infrared and absorbs more red light, while bare soil or built-up areas do not. The NDVI formula for Sentinel data, it's band A minus band 4 multiplied for band 8 plus band 4, and the values range from -1 to +1, so when it's close to 1 it's more dense, healthy vegetation, around 0 bare soil or built up or sparse vegetation, while close to -1 it's water, snow or non-vegetated surface. So here again it's the formula used. All the analysis was conducted using QuantumGIS 3.42, and I used the raster calculator in QuantumGIS for both the 2016 raster and 2025, and I put the formula at the raster calculator, and then I saved it in the file I was working, and did the same for 2025. So this is what I got in first, the NDVI for 2016 and 2025. And then I worked a little bit with symbology, so until I find like the right colors to represent it, and also like I like just four classes to make like the map more understandable. And for the layout, actually, I'm not very good on the layout in QuantumGIS, since I was working with ArcGIS before, and I find this plugin, Layout Loader, that it gives like these layouts, a lot of layouts you can use. I am a big fan of A3 landscape, standard one. And then I made like this map for 2016 and 2025. You can actually see the change for the 2 years, especially in the north part, because it's like more getting more urbanized, and also the center actually it gets in a lot urbanized. While for the extracting values, I just like put a query from the at the raster calculator again. So I put a query for NDVI value that is less than 0.2 for 2016 and also for 2025, and then I exported just the extracted value, and I leave it just black and white actually. So okay, so this should be a slide before this. So plugin to make layout symbologies are for you. That is the Layout Loader that I actually mentioned before. And here just to customize it through your needs. So when you work like with one map or two map, you can actually work with a lot of maps, and just like you can log one symbology and then you can start like working with another symbology. And this was the second result, that actually it's like the urbanized area, while here actually it's our water in the context of the landscape. And okay, so this was, I think it was very short. Okay, sorry.
Yeah, we have